Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a newly listed small cap where Radhakishan Damani's Bright Star Investments Private Limited has yesterday bought 7 lakh shares at Rs 948.39 on the National Stock Exchange. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and also if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will enable you to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also friends, we have recently started offering channel memberships on Profit and Equities. This entitles you to member-only privileges on Profit and Equities. Please click on the blue join button below and follow the steps to get member-only privileges on our channel. Please watch this video to know more about this small cap. Now the company in question is Metropolis Healthcare Limited, which is available at Rs 985.35 and the face value for it is 2. The purchase price for Bright Star investment was Rs 948.39. The symbol for it is METROPOLIS. Now Metropolis Healthcare Limited is engaged in providing pathology services. The company is engaged in delivering over 30 million tests, catering to approximately 20,000 laboratories, hospitals, nursing homes and over 2 lakh consultants. It offers services in various service lines such as clinical trials, hospital lab management, home health services, preventive health checkups, and corporate and wellness solutions. The market cap of the company is 4,944.36 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 21.70 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 45.407, which is slightly cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 51.63. The price to book ratio of 10.96 is however on the higher side. The company has a debt to equity of 0.0426, which is not bad, whereas the return on equity for this stock is a very strong number and stands at 0.2951. The company has a total debt of 19.937 crores on its books, which is not very bad. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that we produce on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.